Welcome to another episode of What's for Dinner, Baldman. This is a recipe I've posted pictures of in the past and gotten lots of questions like the recipe, how do you do it? Just like my recipe says, it's not a hard recipe. There's a little bit of prep involved, but it looks real good and it's so delicious, especially like in this case, doing the spinach, the cheeses. You can do goat cheese and ham. You can do so many different things. Use pancetta, for example. I like, again, the pepper mix there. So the big thing here is the breading, getting a dredging station, getting your flour, your egg, and your breadcrumbs. And if you read my recipe again, you see that I double back and I double bread it. What does that mean? So after I've done my egg, my breadcrumb, I go back to the egg again and I put more breadcrumb. You can honestly do that as much as you want to make sure you got a really thick or good crust on there. You see it's a baked dish as well, so it's not going to be super fatty. Again, depending what you put in there. Thank you everybody for sharing, subscribing, watching. I'm going to keep on doing this. I love it. Take care. What's for dinner, Baldman?